construction, efficiency has always been a challenge. The speed of urbanization makes it an even bigger one. We are forced to build at breakneck speed to support the ever-growing need for housing while keeping expenses low. And then there's the environment. Construction alone uses 50% of the world's resources and causes 30% of all CO2 emissions. The world needs a plan B, a hybrid city. A built environment where the sustainable use of raw materials meets efficiency, a solution that helps us fight climate change instead of causing it. All construction materials have their benefits, but wood is the only major material that stores carbon. We need to use more of it. However, not everything needs to be changed at once. We need to find ways to support construction companies in using more wood while maintaining their efficiency. By creating sustainable building elements that fit the way construction companies work today, we can help them build better cities, hybrid cities. We are calling for all construction engineers to share their ideas and building concepts that support sustainable, efficient, and current ways of building.